Just how big is the issue of attracting foreign talent into Singapore? That was a question posed to Mr. Lee Kuan Yew by DBS Bank's CEO Piyush Gupta, who noted that it was a hot topic during the recent general election.
I am a firm believer that the more talent you have in a society, the better the society will grow. If Singapore depends on the talent it can produce out of 3 million people, it's not going to punch above its weight. It's because you've been drawing talent from across the globe, South Asia, Northeast Asia, China, India and beyond, that we have a vibrant economy which is way beyond what 3 million Singaporeans would be. 3 million Singaporeans with the talent that they produce can do. So you've got to accept the discomfort which the local citizens feel that they are competing unequally for jobs. Cannot be helped.
Several participants also took the opportunity to tap Mr. Lee's views on the importance of meritocracy and governance for the success of a country. And one common question which was raised during the dialogue was how Mr. Lee would have governed India if the country was handed to him.
First, what sort of Indian will I be? A northern Indian? A southern Indian? Because that identifies you with the interests of a particular group. Or a Bombay Indian, which is the most cosmopolitan of all. It is important whoever leads India should find acceptance amongst the widest group of Indians possible.
Mr. Lee also noted that Indians speak nearly 300 different languages, but in China, 90% of the people speak the same language, and that makes it a much easier country to lead than India.